Okay, so picking up kind of where I left off in the previous InDesign tutorial, I just wanted to cover quickly how to export your files to PDF once you've finished creating your document. So this is the example we were working from last time. And so what I want to do when I'm done, first of all, make sure you save the InDesign file. Just like with the Photoshop, the InDesign file will preserve kind of all the editing abilities. Like it'll preserve the layout of the document with all the images and the text and stuff like that. The PDF will just be kind of the final exported document. Will not be as easy to edit. So make sure you save it as an InDesign file as well. And when you're ready to export, just go to the top here and go to File and click Export. And then under the drop-down list under Save as Type, you'll have two options. One of them is an interactive PDF, and one of them is a print PDF. So interactive basically means if you have things embedded in your document, like video or audio, or GIFs, for example, like moving images, you'll want to save as an interactive PDF. So for things like digital presentation, like if you were giving a presentation on a projector and you wanted to include videos in your PDF, you would save it as an interactive PDF. And that way it would kind of include all that kind of media. So because we're just creating a document that is simply images and text, we're going to choose print PDF. So I'll go ahead and rename it. Again, don't forget you want to name it after the course naming convention, which is on our assignment sheet. Let me just refer to that quickly. So 510A 2020 SU A1. Last name and first initial. So go ahead and click Save. And then you'll see this dialog box open. So under here, we can choose a number of different options that enable us to make sure our file size isn't too large. So this is really important. There is about a 15 megabyte file size requirement for this assignment. So you want to go under compression. So what I typically do is I'll say change everything down to about 300. So color, grayscale, and monochrome. And you'll see that when I do that, it'll change the second text box to a larger number. So it's automatically going to adjust what images it wants to downsample to a certain resolution. So 300 is a great resolution for digital. And I think the other thing, okay. So I think that's it. That's all you need to kind of pay attention to. Compression should kind of take care of the size of the file. So go ahead and click Export. And then if we go to that folder, after a moment, you should see the file appear. So you can see the file is about 5 megabytes. And if we open up that PDF, it has the 3 pages in it. And that's the file that you'll actually want to upload to the assignment section on D2L. All right, and I think that should conclude this recording.